Ever wondered how the simple act of eating engages a complex network of structures and processes? Well, today we'll unwrap the intricate workings of the oral cavity and esophagus in our digestive system. In the grand theater of digestion, the oral cavity takes center stage. It's here that the process begins, with saliva playing a significant role. Comprising mainly water, saliva facilitates taste and swallowing. It also contains enzymes like amylase and lipase, which kickstart the digestion of carbohydrates and fats respectively. Electrolytes in saliva help maintain pH and initiate the chemical breakdown of food. The tongue, an agile performer in the oral cavity, uses its intrinsic muscles for fine movements in speech and swallowing. The extrinsic muscles assist in positioning and movement during chewing and swallowing. The teeth, our stalwart soldiers in the oral cavity, showcase a fascinating anatomy. The dental pulp lies at the core, housing nerves and blood vessels. Encasing the pulp is dentin, a hard tissue forming the bulk of the tooth. The outermost layer, enamel, is the hardest substance in the body, protecting our teeth against wear. Our salivary glands play a crucial role too. The parotid gland, located near the ear, secretes enzyme-rich serous saliva. The submandibular gland, beneath the jaw, produces a mix of serous and mucus saliva. The sublingual gland, under the tongue, secretes mainly mucus saliva. Moving on from the oral cavity, we journey down the esophagus. Here, the magic of peristalsis happens. The circular and longitudinal muscle layers work together for coordinated contractions under the control of the myenteric plexus, a part of the enteric nervous system. The esophagus houses sphincters, the upper esophageal sphincter or US and the lower esophageal sphincter or LS. The US, comprised of the cricopharyngeal muscle, relaxes during swallowing. The LES maintains a higher resting pressure, preventing gastric reflux. Its coordination with swallowing allows food to enter the stomach. The esophagus also boasts mucosal defense mechanisms. The stratified squamous epithelium provides resistance against mechanical stress, and mucus secretions lubricate the esophagus, protecting it from abrasion. Swallowing occurs in phases: the voluntary oral phase involving the tongue and teeth, the involuntary pharyngeal phase initiated by the stimulation of receptors in the oropharynx, and the esophageal phase involving peristaltic contractions. Lastly, we touch on the physiology of reflux. Lower esophageal sphincter incompetence can lead to gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD. Various factors influence LES tone, including hormones, neural signals, and intra-abdominal pressure. In conclusion, the oral cavity and esophagus are marvels of anatomy and physiology, seamlessly coordinated for the safe passage of ingested material from the mouth to the stomach. The complexity of these structures underscores the intricate ballet that is digestion. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and remember, every bite you take is a testament to the wonders of the human body.